Hey everyone, Dr. Cruz here with Modern Health Chiropractic. I've been a practicing chiropractor for over 20 years, and something I hear quite often at the end of a visit is, "Hey doc, I'll be back when I hurt again." Well, if you've ever said this, or you know someone who has, you're definitely not alone. But today I want to show you why waiting for pain before getting adjusted is kind of like waiting for your car engine to start smoking before you change the oil. Because chiropractic care isn't just about pain relief, it's about keeping your body performing at its best every day. Let's start with a bit of reality. Pain is almost always the last thing to show up and the first thing to go away. Imagine you have headaches and you go to the doctor and they find out that you have brain cancer. You can't handle the pain, so you take some Tylenol and your headaches all go away. Are you healed? Obviously not. The Tylenol just stopped the pain signals going to your brain, but the problem still needs to be treated. It's the same with back pain, neck pain, or any other pain your body's feeling. By the time you feel pain, your body has often been compensating, tightening, or misfiring for weeks or even months. So when people come in and say, "I felt great until last week," what's probably happened is that the body was already under stress, on its way to ill health. It just hadn't screamed loud enough to get their attention yet. Remember, your pain is your body's check engine light, and ignoring it until it flashes bright red, that's not prevention, that's crisis management. Now here's the important part. Regular chiropractic adjustments aren't just about fixing problems, they're about keeping your brain-body connection clear so your body can heal and run efficiently. Your brain communicates with your body to every muscle, organ, and cell through the nerves that exit each level of your spine. When spinal joints get restricted by tight muscles caused from stress, this communication gets scrambled because the joint receptors that signal the brain aren't signaling when joints don't move. You probably won't feel it as pain right away. Maybe you just feel a little more tired, stiff, or mentally foggy. When we adjust the spine, improve how nervous system functions by moving the stuck vertebrae. This gives the brain a more clear picture of the body's current state, letting it coordinate the body's functions of self-regulation and healing to promote optimal function the way it was designed. This is much like doing the required maintenance on your car before something breaks down and avoiding those costly and inconvenient repairs. Maintenance matters with your body. Let me put it this way. Would you only brush your teeth when they hurt? Of course not. You do it daily to prevent cavities. Your spine deserves the same kind of attention. Regular adjustments help keep your spinal joints moving and your muscles firing properly. That consistency helps your body adapt to stress better, whether it's from your job, your workouts, or just everyday life. I've seen it time and time again. Patients who get regular adjustments don't just have fewer flare-ups, they sleep better, they move easier, and handle life stresses with more resilience. And here's the best part. When something does happen, like you tweak your back lifting something heavy, or you're under an abnormal amount of emotional stress, you can adapt better, and your recovery is often faster and easier because your body is already in a better state of balance. So let's talk about the long game. Here's the secret most people don't realize. Chiropractic care is less about chasing your symptoms and more about investing in your future. Every adjustment builds on the one before, kind of like going to the gym. You don't work out once, get huge biceps, and call yourself fit for life, right? It's the consistency that builds strength, flexibility, and endurance. Same idea here. Regular care helps your muscles and joints stay mobile and your brain connected so you can perform at your best while doing the things you love and loving the things you do. Hey, I get it. Life gets busy. You don't always feel like adding chiropractic care to your to-do list. But here's the reality. You can make time for maintenance, or you can be forced to make time for a breakdown. And trust me, the first one is a lot more convenient. So if you've been waiting for pain before you scheduled your next visit, maybe it's time to rethink that approach. Your body is meant to thrive, not just survive between flare-ups. Regular chiropractic care helps you function at your best, not just feel better for a few days. If it's been a while since your last adjustment, come on in. Let's keep your system tuned up so you can live feeling strong, clear, and connected. Thanks for watching the video. And if this message resonates with you, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Remember, your health is vital. Make time to support yours. Also, share it with a friend who only calls their chiropractor when they're hurting, and I'll say you at your next adjustment. Dr. Cruz. Check, check, mic check, 1, 2, 3.
Accidentally hit it. You
Huh?
do that all the time in your videos. Accidentally hit it. Perfect.
Something that we hear people say all the time at the end of their visit is start it over. I was trying to like wing it and not read it. From people all the time at the end of a visit is this. That was way too slurred. Try that again. Hello there. My name's Obi-Wan Kenobi, Jedi Knight. Okay.